Hello, Where's Hello Healers, welcome back. If you're watching me on YouTube, thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe and share and comment so we can get more people over here on YouTube. If you are listening to this on the podcast, the Prepared Patient Podcast, thank you so much for listening to this episode. You can also see the video version of this on YouTube. And if you're watching us, on social media platform, Wellness Corner in New Jersey on IG and Wellness Corner New Jersey on Facebook. I would love for you to share this video because we're going to talk about something that many of you guys might not think of. All right. So we are running a special promotion here in our clinic here in Denville, and it is March 2024. Choose your IV, any IV promotion except for the ozone and NAD. So you get to choose any IV. We're talking about high-dose vitamin C, antiviral, energizer IV, weight loss IV, chelation therapy, hydration IV, hydrogen peroxide IV, all for $250. $250. We are running this promotion. Not only we want to welcome our new practitioner, Deborah Hagen, saying her right, but also to really show you guys some of the tools and the resources that you might not consider that could be helping you on your journey, health and wellness. Because I don't know about you, I am ready to do anything that's going to give me the results that I'm looking for. And I don't mind getting out of my comfort zone to explore, because if I am continue doing what I'm doing now and I'm getting the results and I'm not happy with the results, and I think it's really common sense to change, to be like, oh, let me try something different. And IV vitamin therapy happens to be one of the procedure that many people are not considering on the healing journey. So for the March of 2024, the promotion starts now. The promotion ends March 22, and then you have until April, the end of April, the last day of April, if it's a weekday, to get this IV. The last weekday of April, last working day in April, to get the IVs into you. And I want to talk to you guys about the high-dose vitamin C, my favorite. As I mentioned in previous videos, I'm going to do little videos to talk to you about what these infusions can look like, what they are designed to do, and the key elements in all those infusions, because every single one have its own purpose. And we might think like, oh, it's just vitamins. No, IV vitamin therapy is not just vitamins. They are food for your cells, right? They are the nutrients that will revive and rejuvenate your cells. So don't think about like, oh, it's just vitamins, no big deal. I can just go to the vitamin shop, or I can just go on Amazon and I can just, purchase Ester-C or any vitamin C. You're not going to get the same results. No way, Jose. Then if it was the case, then every single human being will be healed. Okay. And my goal with this whole IV vitamin therapy mini series is to open your eyes, give you the education that you need so that you can make an educated decision to see if this type of vitamins or this type of procedure or service can benefit you. Because you don't know what you don't know. There are so many things out there you could be implementing that can get you the results, but you don't know. So as you are watching this or you're listening to this, I would love for you to, come with an open mind. Don't dismiss this completely. Watch all the videos, listen to the podcast, learn something. If you have any questions, reach out to us. We'll be more than happy to help you. But IV vitamin therapy is the therapy that the celebrities are doing. It is a therapy that the stars are implementing. And we need to really open our eyes into the benefit of it and the goodness and what it can offer you. So we're going to talk about high-dose vitamin C. All right. High-dose vitamin C happens to be my favorite vitamin in the whole world. My God, I love high-dose vitamin C. And it so happens to be my favorite because I remember back home in Haiti, when I was getting a cold or a virus or whatever parasite back home, my grandma used to go out in the backyard, pick some herbs that has a lot of vitamin C in it, right? Or would just give me some things that's really high in vitamin C. And I will feel good, right? If you think about how you or somebody in your family look at healing, natural healing, there's always vitamin C. If you think about when COVID just happened, the New York Presbyterian Hospital was really implementing high-dose vitamin C. The Chinese were implementing high-dose vitamin C. High-dose vitamin C happens to be very beneficial if you have cancer. It is the number one treatment, natural treatment, right? That you can find at any cancer center, right? The functional medicine clinic, cancer oncologist, integrative oncologist clinic, that people are actually infusing. It's really good. So there are two ways of using vitamin C. You can use vitamin C as an immune boosting, right? Like I want to make sure that my immune system is strong. I want to feed my soldiers, aka your immune cells. I can do a low dose vitamin C, or you can use vitamin C as a chemotoxic agent where you want that vitamin C to go into your cells, go into your system, and react the same way that chemotherapy could, right? So we use high-dose vitamin C here in our clinic for chemotoxic, and we also use lower dose of vitamin C in our formulations as immune boosting. If you were to get the Energizer IV, there's some vitamin C in there. If you were to get the immune boosting IV or antiviral IV, there's some vitamin C in here. But in my clinic, high-dose vitamin C means you are getting anywhere from 50 ml to 100 ml vitamin C. That's high dose. Okay, like lower than 50, lower than 40 ml is not considered high dose. So our vitamin C is preservative free. We use preservative free vitamins. PF means preservative free. Like our vitamins are preservative free. The reason why they are preservative free, because we want to make sure we're not feeding your cells, we're not feeding your body a whole bunch of trash, a whole bunch of toxins. Okay, and we also want to make sure that your cells are getting the most potent, effective vitamins into the bodies, into them, right? So we have to make sure whatever we put in that bag is preservative free. So why would you choose high-dose vitamin C? Well, for everything. Infection, high-dose vitamin C. Bacterial infection, high-dose vitamin C. Viral infection, high-dose vitamin C. More toxicity, vitamin C. Autoimmune, high-dose vitamin C. What else? If you have a cold, like vitamin C can actually be, it's good for everything. Vitamin C is good for blood tissue formation. It's good to help your skin look younger. I guess that's why I have less wrinkle. I'm 42 because I do a lot of high-dose vitamin C. It is the vitamin that I use when I'm traveling, when I come back from travel, when there's a virus, everybody's catching it, I just resort to my high-dose vitamin C. Okay, blood tissue formation. High-dose vitamin C can help you with, diabetes. If you take too much of it, can decrease your blood sugar, right? Because it kind of mimics sugar in your blood vessels. So some people with high-dose vitamin C can go into hypoglycemic. High-dose vitamin C can help the liver tissues rejuvenate, right? High-dose vitamin C is just good. It's good for inflammation, it's good for joint pain, it's good for back pain, it's good for hair growth. Like literally, how many times have you seen people selling serum, right? Like for your face, because it helps with wrinkles, it helps with like rejuvenating your cells, making you look young, making you have beautiful complexion. I love high-dose vitamin C. I haven't seen any disease or illnesses or conditions that cannot benefit from high-dose vitamin C. Again, when I say high dose, I'm talking about 50 mLs to 100 mLs, okay? 50 mLs to 100 mLs. So this is 100 ml vial, right? And it is 50 gram, right? So 50 ml to 100 ml. So 50 gram high-dose vitamin C, you gotta go to a clinic that knows how to utilize it. Again, you have to go to a clinic that if you're gonna do high-dose vitamin C, it has to be preservative-free. Because if you get a 50 ml or 100 ml vitamin C has a lot of toxins in it, guess what? You're getting all the toxins. So it has to be preservative free. So if you are looking to boost your immune system, or you have an autoimmune, or you have cancer, or you just want to make sure that you are addressing inflammation, right? Because high-dose vitamin C can also, it's a chelator as well. If you do high-dose vitamin C and they don't put electrolyte in it, high-dose vitamin C can remove calcium and electrolyte out of your cells. So that's why when we do our formulation, we always put potassium, calcium, magnesium, and my secret sauce in there, L-arginine. And we also put all of that in the bags because we want to make sure that we are preserving those minerals so that the vitamin C doesn't pull it out. High dose vitamin C can also detox you as well too. It is very powerful. It is my favorite vitamin of all. Like, I don't need B vitamins. If you do enough high dose vitamin C, that can also generate energy. How is that? Because it is rejuvenating the cells, producing more tissues. It's removing toxins, so then your cells have more juice for them to produce ATP or mitochondria and, to help you with energy. So choose your vitamins, 250 March promotion. You have until the March 22nd to call and schedule your appointment. And then you have a month after that, until the end of April to actually come in and get the infusions. If you are not able to come into our clinic, Wellness Corner NJ here in Denver, New Jersey, I mean, we have patients that will travel out of state from New York and PA to come and get this the infusions. We also have patients that comes from Georgia. If they are visiting family, they'll come and get infusions. So, but if you're not able, make sure you ask the questions. You'll see the videos of what you should ask. Is it preservative free? What else do you put in it? Because we don't want the high dose vitamin C to be so powerful that it's pulling out the other minerals that you need. And also, the dosage is really important. Are you looking for immune boosting? Or are you looking for like the vitamin C to go and act as a chemo agent? Like if you have any infections, high dose vitamin C. Now, patients will ask me, well, I thought, if you take too much vitamin C, your body's not going to use it. It's going to pee it out, or you're going to have, whatever. That is not true. That is not true. Vitamin C does not create stones, right? Because patients will tell me, oh, my doctor told me I can't do vitamin C because I'm going to have, kidney stones. That is not true. Calcium oxalate creates kidney stones. I will fight anybody on this. That is not true. You do need vitamin C. Now, if you have a lot of toxins and your kidneys are not filtering properly and they are overworked, your nephrons in the kidneys, yeah, they're going to hold on to this toxin, then you're going to create stones. So that's why the hydration comes into place. But you do need hydrous vitamin C for immunity. You need hydrous vitamin C is really good for arthritis. I have patients that have issues with joint pain, stiffness, inflammation. They do high-dose vitamin C. They do 4 or 6 infusions. They are working out. Okay, so vitamin C is really, really good. It does not create stones. That's a lie. It doesn't give you stomach issues. That's a lie. And then your body, yes, because it is a water-soluble vitamins. There's no toxicity involved with it. So, and I have yet to find a patient that has really too much vitamin C. We're usually in deficiency, right? We are deficient of vitamin C. We don't have too much. We just go into deficient. So when you take the high-dose vitamin C, it's actually feeding your cells so that your cells can really get what it needs, okay? And help you. So, because again, we're not getting vitamin C from our food. We're not getting vitamin C from orange juice. That's a myth. Orange juice has more sugar than vitamin C. You're not getting vitamin C from a lot of the food that we eat. Even if you were to eat a lot of the food, but again, absorption, you got to think about absorption. You have to think about digestion. You have to think about what inflammation you have in your gut. Are you really consuming and absorbing all this? So there's a lot of factors that plays into you getting the vitamins and the nutrients from your food. That's why IV vitamin therapy is golden, to kind of help you with performance, to kind of help you with the healing process, to kind of help you get on the other side. So high-dose vitamin C, everybody, it's for everybody. I mean, if cancer patients can benefit from it, we all can benefit from it. So that's the first vitamins I want to talk to you about. High-dose vitamin C. So it's usually in a bag like this. So we use 500 ml. So all our IVs come in huge bags. We don't do 250, that's for babies. We want to make sure you get the hydration, the electrolytes, and the vitamins. So we use a big bag, and then we use preservative free. And it's a non-corn. We don't do corn, and this is not from China. Preservative free vitamins. So PF means preservative free. And then we put it in the bag. We make our own formulations here the day of your appointment. So everything is fresh. And then we just, help you with that. All right. So if you've been sick all the time and you have COVID and you have the flu and you have RSV, like you just can't shake it, and you're one of those people that gets sick very frequently, this is for you. This is for you. So you have until March 22nd to schedule your appointment, and you have until April to get all this into you. So reach out to us. You'll see the links in the comment section below. You'll see phone numbers floating around depending on where you're watching or listening to this. And I can't wait to have you here. I can't wait for you to experience what I know to be the future of medicine, what I know that the celebrities and the stars and the people, like the NFL players, are doing, right? Like that's how they're able to get out and kill it and perform, because they are getting these things, they are rejuvenating, and they are feeding the cells what they need for them, for the cells to work for them, so therefore they can work and serve and be present. All right, so the first one we talked about is high-dose vitamin C. The next one we're going to talk about is the antiviral, because we live in a viral world now. New viruses, new strains are popping up left and right, and we need to make sure that we are feeding our bodies the key elements for them, for our cells to receive and work for us. It's all about immune building. All right, so see you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, please. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.